Today, we've got some great news for the JASMY coin price because right now, JASMY coin is starting to slowly move back towards the upside just right after touching my red support zone right here, which is great news. However, in today's video, something really massive just happened for JASMY coin because a big signal just started to flash recently in the longer weekly time frame, and I am really excited to reveal to you guys exactly what just happened for the JASMY coin price. And you definitely wouldn't want to miss this update video I have right now for the JASMY coin price. So we will be starting inside the 4-hourly time frame. As you guys can see, for the past couple of hours, JASMY coin has been pumping, or has been starting to slowly creep back towards the upside. And the reason behind why we are seeing JASMY coin bounce right now and start to slowly move back towards the upside is because recently JASMY coin has just approached or touched a key support zone right here, which is this red zone. This is a critical support zone, therefore I have marked it as red to emphasize how major this support zone really is. And as you guys can see, it is reflecting by just simply bouncing off of this level. Also, I forgot to mention to you guys that for the past few days, JASMY coin has also formed this bullish divergence in the 4-hourly time frame, indicating that we could be expecting a short-term price reversal, and now it is playing out exactly as reflected by this bullish divergence. However, the big news I have right now is in the weekly time frames, and I'll be talking more about that after I finish analyzing the 4-hourly time frame. So pay close attention right now because we've got something massive along the way. But what are my expectations right now for JASMY coin in the shorter 4-hourly time frame? So since right now JASMY coin is moving back towards the upside, I am expecting that in the next couple of days or hours, we could be seeing JASMY coin continue this move towards the upside. That will bring us back towards this resistance zone right here, and that is at around 0.024 cents. So that's around 0.024 cents, and from there on we could be expecting some sort of resistance to kick in because this was a previous major resistance zone. So be warned at this level. Be careful buying at this level because this is major resistance. If you're looking to buy JASMY once it's trading right here, I would personally wait for JASMY coin to have a break above this resistance before I would consider loading up on JASMY coin. If you're planning to load up on this level right here, again, wait for a breakout because again, if you're planning to buy right here, you're buying at resistance, which is risky, and we could see the price move back towards the downside. So personally, I would wait for a breakout before loading in on JASMY coin in the shorter time frames. But now let us talk about the longer weekly time frame because this is where the big things start to come in. Yeah, what is this huge news I have for you in the weekly time frame? And that is that for the past, or in my previous JASMY coin video, we were talking about this huge pattern forming in the weekly time frame. This was a falling wedge, and I emphasized how this could be massive in the next couple of days because once we do see JASMY coin actually break above this falling wedge, that is one major buy signal triggered. And right now we are seeing JASMY coin start to slowly break above this falling wedge, which is starting to raise the bullish alarms. Personally, I would wait for JASMY coin to also break above this previous swing high in the weekly time frame because this is also major resistance, and we could potentially see JASMY coin get rejected once we do approach this previous swing high right here, and that is at around 0.0246 cents. So watch out for this previous swing high acting as a major resistance right now. That is the only final confirmation I'm waiting for JASMY coin to break. And again, like I've said, if you do see JASMY coin successfully break above this previous swing high, that is 100% full bullish mode activated because I am predicting that once we do see JASMY coin successfully break above this previous swing high as confirmation, we could now move towards the next major target in the weekly time frame, which is located at around 0.0372 cents. So from the price we are at right now, that would be a 70% pump towards the upside. So also, I want to talk about today's video sponsor, Cryptonomy, and share our results on how we're making money by staking cryptocurrencies. As you guys can see here, we made deposits on Bitcoin and USDT about a month ago, and if you go and check accrued interest, it would state how much we have earned from staking these two coins. We have earned $5 from Bitcoin and about $12 from USDT, which is actually pretty decent, and the profit you make is automatically transferred into your wallet on the first day of each month. Now, as you guys can see, more Bitcoin, USDT, and ICP has been added to our account so that we will be able to stake these assets. And I want to show you guys another way that we could make more money through this platform. And that is through fixed staking, which is more profitable than flexible staking. And what we're going to be doing right now is we will be creating a new fixed deposit, which is good for 6 months. We are going to be doing one with USDT first of all. Click deposit and then max, and then we will be doing this for 6 months. Continue, request sent, so great. And then we will be doing another one for internet computer ICP, good for 6 months, and then continue. So just to show you, it is now up and running, and we are now officially earning interest from these two coins, from ICP and from USDT, which again is pretty decent. And you can see the interest rates over here, 20% for ICP, 15% for Tether. Now, the cool part of this platform is their launch pool, where they ensure their users maximum profit and security. You can see the events that have previously happened over here, doing multiple X's, which is crazy. One even did a 14x return, which is mind-blowing. I decided to join the launch pool because I see its potential in the current market for profitable investments. Now we're going to be creating a contract through the bronze plan and max out all our Bitcoin over here. And now, as you guys can see, my position is now open and I'll be waiting for the results. I'll be sure to update you guys about this in my future videos as well. So if you think this is interesting and you want to try it out, then the link is in the description down below. And that's for today's sponsor. This is definitely something interesting to look out for right now because at the moment, JASMY Coin is starting to show signs of bullishness by slowly or starting to break out of this falling wedge. So that is essentially the first bullish signal to look out for. But right now, the ultimate confirmation is going to be the break above the previous swing high. Because if we still fail to break above the previous swing high and just start to get rejected and dump below after touching this previous swing high, that is bearish. And we could potentially see JASMY Coin move back towards the downside. So this is the only confirmation I'm waiting for. And that is the only confirmation left for JASMY Coin before I flip 100% bullish. But again, what I'm trying to say right now is this is an interesting look right now for JASMY Coin because we are breaking out of this falling wedge. We are breaking out of this resistance trend line. So things are starting to flip bullish for JASMY Coin. But again, like I've said, I am still waiting for this one confirmation to be met, and that is a break above the previous swing high right here. We must break above this level at all costs and flip that to support, because as long as we are still below this one, I am not yet 100% bullish on the price action. But again, like I've said, this is definitely something interesting to look out for right now, and watch out for JASMY Coin. That's what I'm trying to say. Watch out, open your radars, and look out for this huge move that could potentially come in the next couple of weeks due to this breakout we're seeing happen for JASMY Coin. Also, if you're wondering about my long-term targets, my targets or my view or my perspective for JASMY Coin in the weekly time frame still has not changed. I am expecting that in the next couple of weeks, we will be seeing not only JASMY Coin, but the entire crypto altcoin market start to surge. If we do see Bitcoin start to cool down, because right now Bitcoin is still having a choppy price action. And as long as the price action is choppy, we can be seeing altcoins in the short term still bleed hard against Bitcoin. But in the next couple of, let's say 2 weeks from now, or maybe a month from now, I am still expecting that the entire crypto altcoin market will turn out to be bullish, and we could be expecting higher prices soon for the entire crypto altcoin market, because that is how cycles work. Because once we actually see Bitcoin start to rally towards the upside, that is when most altcoins start to fly as well. And I believe that JASMY Coin would also pick up the momentum once Bitcoin starts to pump. And also, if you're wondering about my next targets for JASMY Coin after this one, we do have 0.071 cents as our next target. If you're wondering about my realistic targets for JASMY Coin, I am seeing JASMY Coin hitting about 0.1 cent. I definitely see JASMY Coin hitting this target as the bull run continues. I see JASMY Coin hitting 0.1 cent. But again, this isn't my final target, and as the bull run continues, I will be adjusting my targets respectively for JASMY Coin. So yeah, pretty interesting setup we're seeing right now in the weekly time frames. Definitely look out for this falling wedge breakout that's happening right now. And keep your radars on for JASMY Coin, because this is definitely an interesting setup right now. Also, I would like to tell you guys that we are about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you're serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, be sure to join through the link in the description and act now, because this does not last for long. As the bull run comes, as the bull run continues, this server is going 100% private and I will not be accepting any new members anymore, so act now.